Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shofante here, and today we are cooking some soul food. Don't mind this little crusty piece of chicken right there. You know your girl had to eat a piece. But if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So you are going to need some onion for this recipe. I already rinsed my onion off. That's why you can see all the wetness right there. But I'm going to take about a quarter of an onion, and then I'm going to chop it as small as I can get it per se. This is going to go inside of the collard greens that I'm going to be making, and I like a lot of onions in my collard greens. I feel like it gives it the most flavor, makes it taste the best, so that's how much I'm using. You can use less or you can use more. I only had one head of the cauliflower, y'all help me. I only had one head of the collard greens, so this was a little bit more onion than I needed, but like I said, I liked it, so it worked out fine just for me. So you do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Okay. Now right here, I'm just soaking my collard greens because you're supposed to soak them and clean them. This part, I do my collard greens a little bit different. I roll them and then I cut them a finger, your index fingers with, to, you know, get it the way that I want it. I don't eat it like long and square, if that makes sense. I eat it like this. So basically what I'm saying is I don't make mine the traditional way. I make it my way. Do it how you do it so that you're confident in how you're making your food. So right here, I'm getting the pan oiled with some olive oil, ready for it to get heated. And I stole a biscuit, but you know, that's life. So now I'm going to saute my onions until they're translucent, and then I'm going to add some ginger. But yeah, do that till it's translucent, and it's going to be fire. So once your onions are translucent and your garlic and all of that is translucent, you want to put your collard greens in there, move them around a little bit to get it all mixed in together. Then you're going to put some of the Better Than Bouillon seasoning in there, and what other seasonings you prefer. The Better Than Bouillon is already salty, so you don't really have to add any salt, so I did not. And I know I haven't really spoke about the yams that are in there, but I just boiled those in some water, covered it, and let it cook for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes. And then I added brown sugar and all that good stuff that goes in it. Okay, so now I am putting on a pot of water. I'm gonna put some salt in there, or some oil, probably some salt, and get my macaroni noodles boiling while everything else is cooking. And I know this doesn't look like the traditional greens because it's not, but that's the way that I like to eat it. I'm so tired, y'all. But it's like, let me get this video out here, show you guys me doing something totally, well, not totally different, but a little different. So that's what we're doing. I still gotta make the chicken. I'm gonna make some of it in the air fryer, but yeah, I just gotta figure out what I'm doing right now, y'all, because I'm just so tired. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so now we're on to the chicken. For my seasonings, I use smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, pink Himalayan sea salt, and Italian seasoning. You can do whatever choice you choose to do with that, but those are my pretty much my go-tos. I also added a little cornstarch because I wanted to make them extra crispy. That was my first time doing that, and I think that it turned out pretty well, as you'll see in the end. What else, guys? Yeah, so do your seasonings however you want. I don't know the measurements for them because I just listened until that voice says stop. I'm just playing. I just went with my gut though in real life. So right here I'm gonna put flour inside, and I'm gonna season it with the same exact seasonings. Not too much, not too little though. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. The pieces that are already, battered. This is what it looks like. I'm not double battering them. I was, but like I said, I'm tired. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. I don't have to put any extra oil or anything in there because it's already oil. Now all of these cannot fit in there because you don't want to overcrowd it. So I'm only gonna do a couple at a time. Yeah. Put it in there. There is a setting for chicken, and it is a setting for chicken, and it goes on 360, but I turned it up to 400, and I'm gonna cook it for 26 minutes, and we're gonna see if it's done. So yeah, that's just all I'm about to do. I'm about to get this macaroni together, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Cool. So excuse the way I look, y'all, but right now I'm making a roux. So you have to do the butter, the flour, the milk, and seasoning it. So on to the mac and cheese. My roux has finished, so I put it in, and also in the roux you put in shredded cheese and stuff like that. So that's what I did as well. And right here I'm just adding more cheese to go over the top. The mistake that I made is I didn't put a lot of cheese because I was just thinking of, I don't know, trying to be healthy. But macaroni is not supposed to be healthy, y'all, so put as much cheese as you would like. Okay, so this is my plate. I'm still cooking chicken. This was cooked in the air fryer. These are the yams with sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call them. Has brown sugar butter, vanilla extract, cinnamon, all of that good stuff. My mac and cheese. Sometimes my mac and cheese is a hit or miss. If you use a little bit more cheese, but it's fine for right now. And then my greens, and then those little onions that I had on the side. But yeah, y'all, this is how the air fryer did this chicken. It's pretty juicy. So I'm about to tear this up because I'm hungry. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more detailed video, let me know. Today I was just really, really tired, y'all. This looks so good. Anyway. catch you guys in another video. Bye.